How to make Spotify pink. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. So once you open the app, you will notice that the color on Spotify is usually based on green. Now, go back to your main menu and open Settings on your phone. Here, scroll down and select Accessibility under General. On this page, scroll down to the General section and tap on the App Settings. Here, tap on Add App under App Customization. Type in Spotify in the search bar and select it. Now, tap on Spotify. Here, scroll down and select Smart Invert. Smart Invert reverses the color of the display. Select On. Now go back and open the Spotify application again. Here, you can check all the changes that have been made. Following these steps, you can easily try and make your Spotify pink.